She's vomiting.
Ugh!
Damn, I'll have to reset.
She's vomiting. Oh no.
How's it going?
She's vomiting. Far more in excess of her body mass.
Oh, great.
Wait, so all of this is
We're gonna
kid
be seeing a lot
barf?
more of our ugly friends if this keeps up. All right. We need to find her and fast. This is getting out of hand.
Agreed.
You're alright, Alan? Oh no, he's not alright. That's a stupid question. He's not alright, is he? Hop! Awooga!
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I
What?
shouldn't have.
Yeah.
All I can say is that if you get this, stay away.
Yeah.
Forget that you ever knew me. Have a good life.